Nadex.
Okay, here we are with the Trump rally as we're looking at a 1 month chart here. You can see where many of us have been doing well on just going long about every day. There's been some days where it's been a pullback and it wouldn't work for you. But even on some of those days, there was a rise up at some point, and if you got out with your profit before it pulled back before the end of the day, you would have still been in profit. So with our overnight moves, the best time to get set up with a Nadex, I like using the spread options on this trade, the Trump rally trade. It's better to do it at night for the next day. Now, tomorrow there's a Fed announcement, and we're expecting one of the first real rate hikes in quite a while, so many years. So that could have an effect on the market. Might be a good night to put on the arbitrage trade. So we'll see how that goes. Here it is. Let's see. This is December 13th. Tomorrow on the 14th, we're going to have that Fed announcement. And of course, with all the 0% interest for years, there was not much movement on a Fed announcement, but we're expecting this one to be a little different tomorrow. So we might see some action on that if we could get some cheap options on both sides. We'll do it. And of course, we like using the spread options, but here, this is about 7:30 Central Time in the evening, 7:30 p.m. And I was just looking at them a minute ago, and they're still kind of high. I think they might come down some, so I'm waiting before I put mine on. Let me show you. So here we are in the Nadex back office, and you see it looks like it went up a little bit when I first looked at it. You could have got it. That's the buy side would cost you $38 an option on the Wall Street 30 mini down. So I don't really like that. I like to get them when they're $20 or lower, and then you can put 5 or 10 of them on, and it only cost you, $100 or so, a couple of $100. But we'll just watch it this evening, and we'll see if it dips down some. It actually went up since I last looked at it, so it might not get any lower. But I've been noticing. See, this is the 400-point spread. I've been noticing that a lot of times you can catch it in the morning here, since the route. If you get it early in the morning, you can get the buy option a lot cheaper, because then the 300-point spread options open up, and at this time of the evening, all they have up are the 400 dailies. You can't see it over here because it's off screen, but that's what this is the 400-point spread. So anyway, so far we're having fun trading the Trump rally. It was an excellent day today. So if you haven't signed up for the course yet, what are you waiting on? Here's today's action. See if you got in overnight. Let me get the YM up here. This will show you the futures price for overnight. That looks a lot better, doesn't it? You got in here somewhere, as you did it the night before, most of us, and rode it up, most of the day. And even if you got out and held it open until the end of the day, you're still in pretty good shape. Talked to a couple of you that got out up in one of these peaks here, so that's fine. You still probably got a 100-point run. That can add up, even on little Nadex trades. So go to nadxincome.com if you haven't joined us and get signed up. We look forward to trading with you soon. Have a great day, everybody, and thanks for listening.